Tammy Slaton is turning heads and silencing critics. The 1000 lb Sisters star has made yet another bold statement with her dramatic weight loss journey, this time by stepping in front of the camera for a brand new commercial that's got fans and skeptics alike buzzing. The once bed-bound reality star who struggled to breathe on her own is now confidently strutting her stuff, and the internet can't get enough. Social media platforms lit up when a short teaser from Tammy's commercial went viral. Fans were shocked and elated to see her transformation on full display. Sporting sleek clothes that hugged her new figure, Tammy appeared poised, polished, and full of life. The commercial, reportedly for a local wellness brand in Kentucky, is part of a campaign encouraging body positivity and self-care, and no one embodies that message more right now than Tammy. Dressed in a fitted outfit that showcased her dramatically slimmed-down body, Tammy smiled and delivered her lines with a level of charisma few had seen from her before. She was energetic, confident, and powerful. It wasn't just an advertisement, it was a personal victory broadcast to millions. Tammy's journey has been nothing short of harrowing. At her heaviest, she weighed over 700 pounds and spent much of her time confined to a hospital bed. With life-threatening issues including obesity-related health complications and chronic breathing problems, doctors feared she wouldn't live to see another year. But Tammy defied the odds. Undergoing bariatric surgery, committing to a healthier diet, and pushing herself physically and emotionally, he's now lost over 400 pounds. That weight loss has not only reshaped her body but also transformed her personality and spirit. In the commercial, her new appearance was impossible to ignore. But perhaps even more noticeable was her glowing skin, smooth hair, and fresh aura that screamed rebirth. Fans who've been following her story since the early days of TLC's 1000 lb Sisters took to social media to express their amazement. "I had to watch that ad 3 times. Tammy looks amazing," one commenter wrote. Another said, "She's come so far. I'm crying watching this. I'm so proud of her." Insiders close to the production say the commercial was Tammy's idea. She wanted to show off her progress in a way that wasn't just limited to social media photos or short TikTok clips. She wanted to prove she could stand on her own, literally and metaphorically, and work in a professional setting. According to a source, Tammy insisted on minimal editing and no body double. She wanted it real, they said. No filters, no Photoshop, just Tammy, her new body, and her voice. That request speaks volumes about how far she's come, not just physically but mentally. For years, Tammy has been the target of cruel online jokes and harsh commentary, especially during seasons where her progress was stalled or and she appeared combative with family members on screen. But this commercial is a reminder that people can evolve. Redemption is real, and Tammy Slaton is living proof. Of course, the ad also stirred up some drama. As with anything in the world of 1000 lb Sisters, nothing comes without controversy. Some online critics accused Tammy of selling out or being fake now that she is slimmer. Others claim her transformation doesn't erase years of problematic behavior. But Tammy didn't stay silent. In a bold follow-up TikTok video, she clapped back at the haters. "This is me now. And I'm not sorry for finally loving myself," she declared. "You all watched me fight for my life. And I did it. So if me being in a commercial bothers you, turn off the TV." The video garnered over 2 million views within 24 hours and was flooded with supportive comments. Tammy's younger sister Amy also chimed in. Posting a sweet photo of the two hugging behind the scenes of the commercial shoot, Amy wrote, "My sister is glowing. She earned every second of this." The commercial is now being picked up by local TV stations across the southern U.S., and Tammy has reportedly received additional offers to appear in other endorsement deals, including a clothing brand specializing in plus-size fashion and a health product line. According to a source close to Tammy, she's not just a reality TV star anymore. People are starting to see her as a potential influencer and even a businesswoman. This potential career expansion comes at a pivotal time. With rumors swirling about the future of 1000 lb Sisters and whether Tammy and Amy will return for another season, many are speculating that Tammy could soon branch out into her own solo ventures. This commercial might be the beginning of a rebrand, another insider noted. Tammy is ready for more than just being labeled the Sixth Sister. She wants to be known for what she's survived and how far she's come. Meanwhile, fans are still coming to terms with just how different Tammy looks. Comparing old footage from season 1 to the new ad is like looking at two different people. The commercial even subtly includes a before and after visual, with Tammy walking away from an old black and white photo of her heavier self, symbolically leaving her past behind. It's a powerful visual that resonated deeply with fans. And in the final moments of the ad, Tammy turns to the camera and says, "If I can do this, so can you." That one line has already been reposted, memed, and celebrated across all platforms. Some fans have even started calling it Tammy's redemption era, as Tammy continues to share snippets of her new lifestyle, ranging from healthy recipes to workout selfies. Followers are getting a rare glimpse at the woman behind the struggle. There are no signs of her slowing down. Recent updates show Tammy attending local events, speaking on panels about obesity awareness, and even engaging in charity work for people dealing with food addiction. And while TLC has yet to confirm whether the commercial will be featured in upcoming episodes, fans are hopeful that it will be shown in full, marking a major turning point in her storyline. Tammy's journey may have started on reality television, but now she's rewriting her own narrative. Her transformation is far more than skin deep. It's about reclaiming dignity, owning past mistakes, and moving forward with intention. Whether you love her or hate her, there's no denying that Tammy Slaton has become one of the most talked about reality TV figures in recent years, and now, one of the most inspiring. With the commercial continuing to trend, fans are already asking, what's next for Tammy? Is she launching a fitness brand, a memoir, a YouTube channel? While Tammy hasn't confirmed her next move, one thing is clear, this commercial isn't the end of her story. It's just the beginning of her new chapter. From bedbound to breaking boundaries, Tammy Slaton has transformed her life in front of millions. Now, she's using her platform to inspire others, promote wellness, and prove that even the most unlikely underdog can shine when given the chance. With each public appearance, each confident smile, and now each commercial debut, she's proving the world wrong, and looking fabulous while doing it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.